Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable voice access on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, select OK. And on this page, just tap on Downloaded Apps and select Voice Access. Now from here, just enable voice access, then select Allow. Now from here, just tap on Agree and give this app this permission. Then tap on Done. Now from here, just tap on Continue and select while using the app. Then tap on Continue and select Finish. Now once you do that, then enable the toggle for shortcut. Now from here, just select Accessibility button and tap on OK. And by doing that, you will enable the voice access shortcut on your Oppo phone. Now to use voice access, just tap on the voice access shortcut until a notification appears in the notification section, just like that. And in the notifications panel, just tap on voice access. And once you do that, you will enable voice access on your Oppo phone. Now to use voice access, just give your smartphone a command. For example, open YouTube. Scroll down, swipe up, go to the home screen, swipe to the left, swipe right, open settings, and this is how you can enable voice access on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.